How to make Google Docs read the text out loud to you. So here I'm in Google Docs and I have some text prepared. Now I want something to read me this text. What I need to do is open up a new tab and type in extensions. Click the first link that shows up, and then in the search bar make sure to type in text to speech. And the first one that pops up is Speechify, and simply just add this to Brave. Now you might not be using Brave, you might just be using Chrome or Firefox or whatever. Every browser has its own version of a text-to-speech extension. So let's just wait a bit until this extension installs. And now simply just continue with Google. Let's click the first one. Let's continue with the side player and just choose a random voice. I'm gonna choose Geffen. Now what you need to do is click the extension and simply just pin it. Now head over to the Google Docs, select the text, and press the play icon.
BMW M3 GTR wasn't built to follow the rules, it was built to...
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.